Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanisa Frislanwari from class B2 2022 from the IKIP Siliwangi campus. This assignment is to fulfill one of the UAS assignments for the English language learning course with the lecturer Mr. Acep Haryudin MPD. Step on how to compose a teaching module. English teaching module A. General information consists of 1. School identity, school name, subject, class, domain, topic, CP dimension, time allocation, semester, or academic year. 2. Initial competency. Students have initial knowledge about short text types and are able to read information in English well and correctly. Pancasila student profile or P3 have been devoted to good all-make and have noble character. This learning activity begins and ends with praying to good all-make with the aim that students can participate in learning activities in a healthy condition and gain useful knowledge and become a reflection of a person who has noble morals. 2. Critical reasoning. In this activity, students are invited to analyze existing online review and identify language features from the text. This develops students' ability to think critically about implicit and explicit message in the text. 3. Independent. Students can find information in online review example independently. Next, work together. Students are able to collaboration at work together in creating an online review the text using various media. And creative. Students are able to produce ideas, work, and flexibility of thinking in creating an online review using various applications. 4. Facilities in infrastructure, media and tool materials. 1. Laptops, 2. LCD projector, smartphone, speaker, whiteboard, and presentation slides. 5. Target student with English language skill at level A2 B1. 6. Learning models or methods, project-based learning or PJBL by optimizing feedback. 6. Learning activities, text, teacher activities, student activities, allocation time, introduction, preparation or orientation, open the class with greeting and prayers, checking student attendance, provide question related to initial competency via wall. 1. Receive greeting with open and friendly attitude, show attention and empathy when hearing or responding to greetings, deliver prayers with gratitude and solemnity, show concern for the learning process by responding to the teacher when checking attendance. Next, score. Task 1. Determine basic question. Divide student into several groups consisting of three several examples of informal online review to each group, provide direction for completing LKPD, providing organizing group members based on given criteria or direction, analyze text structure and identify important elements, interpret the meaning and purpose of the text by considering the context, synthesize ideas from discussion to reach comprehensive solution or answer. Phase 2, designing product planning and preparing manufacturing schedule, providing LKPD for and encourage each group to discuss ideas for creating an online review text using Canva sharing. Next, give each group a Canva link to express their ideas. Listen to the teacher direct and ask if there is something you don't understand. Evaluate the contribution of ideas from each group member and decide on the best solution based on joint consideration, which will be developed into an online review text. Phase 3, monitoring, refinement and development project. Phase 4, testing results. Phase 5, evaluation learning experience. Closing, evaluation and follow-up plan. 1. Reflects by asking several questions as someone to lead the closing prior of the lesson. Say hello and to end the lesson. Student activities. Actively participate in the learning process by providing appropriate answer. Demonstrates together by responding positively to prior activities as a form of participation in the group. Next, expressing gratitude to the teacher as a form of appreciation for the learning that has been provided. Allocation time 5 minutes. D. Assessment, attitude assessment. Attitude assessment is obtained from the result of observation during learning activities. Attitude assessment in the form of active, cooperative, and creative. Time down during learning, prepare and attitude assessment rubric from implementation during learning. Next, formative assessment of result and presentation. Formative assessment is obtained from group assessment in the form of project assessment. Time down during learning, prepare work and presentation assessment rubric from implementation during learning. Follow up processing the assessment result. A. Enrichment and remedial. Enrichment, student with grades or performance about the class average will receive enrichment activities in the form of individual assignments. Remedial, student with grades or performance below the class average will make improvements and reward achievements. Students will carry out guided learning, namely by asking for help from the student with grades above the class average. If teacher reflection have the learning objective been achieved, do student collaboration will in discussion activities. Are there change in student attitudes and skill during the learning activities process? G. Student reflection. What material is difficult and to understand? What activities are difficult to complete? Next, teacher and student reading materials, glossary. attitude. Attitude assessment rubric. Observation assessment. Observation assessment is based on observing student attitudes and behavior during the process learning. Direct observation is carried out by the teacher. The following is an example of an assessment instrument: attitude. Extract student box LKPD 1. Name of education unit, subject, class or semester, subject matter, element.